Hey and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can trade this bull market without need to follow that much. You can set and forget and make money this bull market. And I'll show you some examples before I get to it. So see it the way to the end because I will show you in the end how you can make money in this bull market by doing nothing. Okay? So let's take a look here now. As you can see, we are obviously in the bull market. We did cross up here. We made the all-time high, and you see we are going quite a lot up here now. We are almost at 90,000. Actually, we did hit 90,000 yesterday. So this is all good and all, but the problem is, should you invest here? Probably not, because right now we might go down to retest some of these supports. We can even go all the way down to around 76 and retest this area. That is a high probability for that. Or we can just continue upwards. We never know. And the same go to meme coins. Many like to invest in meme coin this bull market. And what you can do, you see here, we did shoot up all the way up to 0.13. And if you go back, yeah, we were back at 0.98 and we go down, and it's very annoying because when are you going to buy, when you're going to sell, it's very difficult to tell, because you can see here, if you buy here, are you going to sell here? No, you don't know if this is top. And then what happened? You shoot down and you don't want to sell it. The same can happen over here. You see, you shoot up. Are you going to sell here? You think it'll go higher, and then you don't sell because your favorite YouTuber tell you that it will go to $1 or 10 cents or whatever, and you never sell it. And you know I will go to 15. You get the greed and you never make money. This is the risk of the bull market: is that you hold your coin and you never sell it. And when you sell it, maybe you sell it in zeros. You never made money in the bull market, or that you even sold in loss, or worst case scenario, you don't sell at all. And especially meme coins, now the prices of meme coins, they can go up in billions of dollars in value, in market cap. But the problem is, you might see your account and you have a huge account, and then you get greedy, you never sell, and then when the price shoot down, you think, oh, I could have sold it for this and this money, and now it's down, I will go up again, but never do. And you go down and go down, you just hold, you hope it go up again, and in the end he come down to microscopic levels. So maybe let's say $1,000 up here can be like when you come down in the bear market and you really come down here, can be worth like $10. Who knows? So be very careful. So how can we prevent this? How can you make money secured and make money all the way in the bull market? Well, I will show you. I did now, just for fun, I did open account here, and I did take a $1,700 I did put into the wallet. And what I did set up a robot that is trading. We can just go here first. You see, now it's 1,761, so you can see I made a little money. So we can go to here, futures, futures spot. That means futures means that you can get access on your trading. That means, for example, if you have $1,000, you can take multiply with 3 and you can have $3,000. And you think, but isn't that risky? Can't we be liquidated? Yes, but that's why we set it up very safely. So if you take now a look at the robot I have running currently now, that's the one you see here. I'm running on Dodge because Dodge is one of the coins that are moving very hard in this bull market. Plus, it's a meme coin, yes, but it's an old one. It's one of the oldest coins in cryptocurrency. So this one is more of the safer ones. It's one of the top crypto coins. We can go into CoinMarketCap, CoinMarketCap.com. Let's go there. I'll show you. So, like you see here, it's number 6. So it's one of the bigger ones. And yes, this one will not get 100x or something. We are not after that. We're going to for safe money. What is cool with this one here is that we are making daily money with it. So You can see here now, this one is now in $12 profit, but not only that, we are making for each and every trade we are doing also. So let's see here now, you can, for example, push here, release profit, and then you can see I can now, this is $22. This is profit I make, I did start this robot 11 hours, not 12 hours ago, I see now. So this one have made a profit of $22. This is money I can just take out. So you can basically make yourself more like a salary. So all the time you can take out the profit. This is profit because here how it's working. You can go over to transactions. Here you can see I have done 87 trades. Okay. If you go here, you can see all the different type of values. So when he come down here, he's buying. When he come up here, he's buying, and here he's selling. So he buy, sell is a grid that is following, you know, and he's buying, selling, and you make profit all the time. So basically, let's go over to Dodge here now. Dodge is here. Let's take it to the 1 hour, so you see a little better what is going on. So you can see here now, if you're just holding, and let's say you buy up here, for example, you're just holding and you're in minus, you can't do nothing, you don't make any money. You only make money if you go to a higher point. Like I explained it for you, you never know when to sell. But now, when we go like this, we love it because we are printing money all the time. If you go up, down, we don't care, we make money. So that's the cool thing with this robot. So this robot, now, I will let it just run. And you can see the parameters I have put. I have a liquidation on 0.10477. Okay, so if you then go back here, bring it back to the 1 day. Okay, so you can see we need to go all the way down to this red line down here to be liquidated. That will not happen. This was in the bear market you here, so he will not come down here. And we will, I will put a sell line later where I close all the positions. But I will do this live for all of you so you can follow and see. So when I stop the robot, you can do also. But here is the catch. When we come down to the levels down here, we will start the robot again because then we'll run it all the bear market also. Yes, this robot can make you money through all the bear market also. So below the video, I will leave a link to this broker so you can get started also, so you can make money all along. Okay, and this broker have the lowest fees. That means when you're trading, the fees you're paying for each trade is super low compared with other brokers. So, and this also work for every country in the world. Okay, so you can see now we're running $20 profit, but that is not counted with the profit we have made from the trades. So we had this plus the, this is not calculated. This you can see I'll go up down, but our profit from the robot will always go up because of these trades here. So once again, I will make updates video about this, how we make money with it. Like you did see, in 12 hours we made around $22. You can see now release profit. Let's see here now. Yeah, $22. So that means around a day I make around $44. This of course I think will go much up because since yesterday at night we did not have so much moves. We're just moving in this small area. If we start to move a little harder, we make more money. So this robot will basically print us money while we sleep or whatever. We don't care. I don't care if the price go down here. I make money. I make money all the time with this robot. I don't care if the price go up or down. That's the cool thing. But if you're just buying and holding, you only want it to go up. That is boring. You don't make money all the time. You only make money if you, for example, go higher than this point. You're sitting, waiting, and you don't make money. But when you do this, you make money all the time. So this is the safest way to make money in this bull market. And trust me, you will make a lot of money this way also. Maybe not the same if you have bought the coin down here and hold it and sell in the top, but trust me, you would never sell at the top. In hindsight, it's very easy to say, I could have sold it up there, but you will not do that. You will never sell at the top. No one is able to sell at it, buy the bottom and the top. That is basically impossible. But this robot can at least make you profit all the way, so you can have a lot of fun. And not only that, you don't need to wait till the bull market is done till you get the money, you can get salary every single day. So that, make sure you check below the video. Also, check out my new site. I give there many tips about the meme coins, about the coins to buy, news about cryptocurrency. All this you find below the video also. It's a new site I made for that. So that, have an amazing day.